Hi everybody, my name is Natalia Forero. This is task 4 for the course Introduction to Linguistics and for the teacher Jesus Antonio Quiñones. I am a student of Bachelor in Foreign Languages in the UNAD University. Today I'm going to give you a mini lesson on pronunciation. Okay? Pronunciation is such an important part of English or any foreign languages that you're learning. It is important to learn your phonemes and to learn how to pronounce the words correctly. Okay, so today I hope this lesson helps you and I hope that you can learn a lot from it. Okay, so let's begin. Our first word is the word here, which means in this place, and the pronunciation is here. Okay, then we have our second word, which is the word here, meaning listen, but the pronunciation is identical to the first word, here. Okay, here and here. How do you know when to use this or that word? Well, that depends on the context. That's how you will know if this or that word. Okay, our third word is the word hair, meaning this part of our body. And the word hare also means this animal that runs really fast, that is similar to a rabbit that has really big ears. And so the pronunciation is also exactly the same, hare and hare. Okay, then we have our fifth word, which is the word heir, meaning a person that is going to inherit or is legally entitled to get money from a person when that person dies or passes away. Okay, and then our fifth word, which is the word air, meaning the air that we breathe. As you can see, the pronunciation is identical, but the writing is totally different. In the first word, air, this word has an H. Normally, when we speak in English, we think that the H word always has a sound like a J in Spanish, but in this case, the H is mute, meaning it has no sound. Okay? And then we have our last word, which is the word hair, meaning that girl. The pronunciation, as you can hear, is totally different. Hair. Okay, so I hope that this lesson was helpful and I hope that you learn a lot from it. And I hope that we do more videos like this. Okay, bye bye.